I'm meteorologist Peter Hall. Here is your NBC3 First Alert forecast, and it is a holiday weekend. Let's see what's ahead. Well, we know it's cold. It's a little bit better than yesterday for the immediate Syracuse area and points west of the 81 corridor. You're further to the east, and it's about as bad because you're likely to be in eastern New York and even east central New York along the Route 12 and 28 corridor, rather cloudy and at times wet. Again, here in Syracuse, I think we'll have a combination of clouds and sunshine. And because we'll have more sun than yesterday, we should make the mid and upper 50s. Further to the east, it's in the 40s. We do have a brisk breeze likely. So as we look at what to expect, we have been anything but normal really over the last week. Remember, we were 82, 86, 86 Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and 78 Thursday. Well, and yesterday during the daytime, it didn't get out of the 40s. And today, as you saw, 58's the high. That's well below the normal high of 72, making up for all those above average days. Like I just mentioned, rain across eastern areas, dry elsewhere. There's also some snow over the higher elevations again. Increasing sun for everybody on Sunday and Monday. So here's an update of what's happening. The 12 and 28 corridor goes from about Binghamton to Norwich, to near Hamilton, to Utica, up to Alder Creek and Old Forge. That line right there is basically roughly, there'll be some wobble, the back edge of where that precipitation will be. I have to use the word precipitation because higher elevations will probably have some snow mixed in with rain over the lower elevations. The stuff later this afternoon, if you look carefully at the back edge, will try to move west. See that right there? I think it stays, and I mean just east of Onondaga, Oswego, Jefferson, and Cortland counties. However, those of you in Shenango, Madison, Oneida, Lewis counties, Herkimer, Otsego counties, these areas will likely have some precipitation today. And tonight, still some leftover eastern and northeastern areas. But again, boy, it's close, but I think we hold on just barely dry. There is a frost advisory up. I'm a little surprised because it's still going to be breezy. There is a frost advisory for the southern tier tonight. Now, it's borderline. If you're watching us in these counties and you're one of the sheltered valleys, the really coldest sheltered valleys, you might have patchy frost tonight. I actually think the best chance for frost or maybe even freeze conditions would be Sunday night into Monday because we'll have less wind and clearer skies, by the way, too. Skies should be partly to mostly sunny. That's up for Sunday. Temperatures should be warmer. And like I just mentioned, for Sunday night and into Monday morning, it looks like our weather will likely be dry. Now, as we look ahead, there's a potential for some frost. I can show you the freeze watch. So that means temperatures actually could get to the freezing mark or lower, especially in these counties right in through here. Monday, Memorial Day starts obviously cold, but actually Memorial Day will be the sunniest day. It will be the brightest day. It will also likely be the best day of the holiday weekend when you consider all of them. You could see the sunshine forecast does get higher and higher. These are for Syracuse. Remember, today in eastern New York and even east central New York, that Route 12 and 28 corridor, you have little to no sun. Further west, by the way, today should be brighter as well. Precipitation probability, let's check that out. Well, eastern New York, as I just showed you, it's raining, so they're at 100%. But the chance that we get any rain in Syracuse is 1 in 4. Here's your 7-day forecast. Well, the pendulum swings the other way, doesn't it? Look at those 80s coming up mid-end of the week.